That's your dance. Yeah. Yeah. This dish, bulabola. Hi guys, good morning. I just took a shower. Anyway, so in today's vlog, we are going to cook some banana blossom recipe, which is bula-bula. Yes, so we're gonna cook right now. Come on, come on, come on. Oh. You can cook this like vegetables with coconut milk, just like jackfruit. This dish is bula-bula, then mixed egg, and then egg. That's how you chop them.
Puso, saging, banana. Yung bula-bula, labas na siya.
Alabas ng bula-bula.
Pinuhon man yung gutarong, manakon gutarong.
This is the easiest food you can have in the mountainside. So the next step is you have to chop it like that, like into really small pieces. This is how it looks like. It's super small. Crispy. This is the one that he chopped earlier, and this is the next. And then this is the final. I mean, this is not the final because we're gonna soak in salt and take out all of the juice from this. That is salt, and then soak in a salt, and then mix until the juice of this banana blossom comes out like this. And this is the seasoning also, guys. Needs to chop into small as well. With pepper, green onions, and some garlic. By the way, guys, after that, soak in the salt and then remove all the excess water. So this is already washed with water. This is the seasonings, guys. You see the red one and the greens and the onions and garlic. We are going to add Knorr cubes. In most cooking, it's like chicken broth, but we use this dry. Then some magic syrup. It looks so yummy, guys. Mix. Add egg. So they're gonna add egg, 6 pieces. This is what it looks like right now. That is cornstarch, guys. Mix. Gatubig na Tungod mo na sa asin ko. Dapat wala na ibutang asin.
Napay tubig na. Kulangan pa na. Cornstarch.
Add more cornstarch. Cornstarch, yun na. Di na harina. Then add some pepper.
Kaya puro sa sigang. Cornstarch.
That's powder pepper. Mix.
Malingin na.
Harina lagi. Abi ko mag nakaluto na mo, ana. By the way, guys, after mom put cornstarch, mom also put flour. That's why it looks like. Pour into circle like this. It should be a lot of oil. Woo! Looks yummy, huh? It's hot. Let's taste it later. So I'm going to taste it. Smells like Jack and Joy. It's good. And it's vegetables. is what looks like right now. Looks so yummy. So if you sell this in a restaurant, this kind of size is 10 pesos each. Eat them, eat. So I have some santol, guys. You probably first time seeing this kind of fruit. This is the way how we eat it. Peel, peel, peel. So done. This fruit is also seasonal. It's season right now, month of June. Ooh, slow. It's sour. You only eat the skin, peeled skin. Oh, aslum. And then these white ones here. But don't eat the seeds. Ah! Lumay. Some of the santol are sweet. But this one is not sweet. Probably not that ripe. When it's ripe, like so ripe, it's tastes sweet. That's it. It's done. So you have to throw it. And this it. Woo! Kita ko nga? Kita ko na mo?
Kita mo ba?
Slow! You can also make a sauce, or you could dip in salt. Like, let's try some salt. I have salt in here. Dip in salt. Tastes better with salt. You won't feel the sour. It's a bit bitter also. The skin. Tastes better with salt. You wanna eat them? Dip in the salt. Oh. Because of the sour, I feel like my teeth have sensitivity. Would you try some kind of fruit like this? Comment down below. I'm done. My hands are sticky. Manoy. That's your dance, yeah. So guys, by the way, we don't have electricity for the whole day today. So I don't have much things to do because my laptop is low battery anyway, so I can't edit videos. So I'm going to play pool since we don't have players. I'm going to play. Practice.
When I think about the way we used to be, when I think about the things you took from me, I know that I am so much better, better. When I look at what I've done, now that we're apart, when I look at what I've won, I've come so far. I know I'm so much better off, and baby, you don't
Push. Push.
Turn. Oh, not outside. No outside. Later na.
Hello. Hello. Nababay. Alright.
Oh.
Push. Look at what she's trying to do. She gets irritated. She wants to get the wipes.
When I saw you, I would lose control. Made me feel like there was no tomorrow. Should've told you that you're beautiful, but the days pass and now it's so long ago.